Okay folks, the Camry finally blew up the motor. I was 2 miles away from home and the motor exploded. The wrist pin let go in the piston and the connecting rod just broke right in half. See, there's the hole in the motor. And if you look down inside, if I can get the light right, you see right there the piston connecting rod broke, sheared right off. Come right through the side of the block here. Yep, so motor time now. Nice big hole. Look at, there's the crank. One of the journals there sticking up. So it's time for another motor, folks. Got oil blowing all over the place. Here, we'll start her up for you. Let you see, we got no oil pressure. Motor's rattling. See? No oil pressure. Lights on. Engine lights on. Shut her down. Yep, pretty bad. Time for another motor. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Motor time.